How to fix iOS 17.4 update not showing on iPhone. So first of all, let me check which iPhones will get iOS 17 update. So right here you can see it starts from iPhone SE and then iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11, iPhone XS Max and many more. Once you have known that your device will get the update, the next thing you want to do is reset the network. In order to do so, head over to settings of your device. Move into General, scroll all the way down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now at the bottom, click on Reset and then click on Reset Network Settings. Once you click on it, you have to enter the password of your device. After that, your network will be reset. Now the next thing you want to try doing is simply reset your device. In order to do so, click on your volume up button and the power off button at the same time. This interface will appear. Simply slide to power off. Once your device has been powered off, you simply have to switch on the phone and check if the update is available on your device. Well, the issue will be definitely fixed after that and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix 17.4 update not showing on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.